After the focus lens is replaced, it can be used normally if the galvanometer and collimation lens are damaged. Please contact our after-sales staff. Now let me show you how to remove this gun head. Start disassembly. You can see, here's a quick plug. This is the air pipe and we can remove it first. Put paper tape on it to make a distinction. Then remove the water pipe. You can see here's a little ring. Loosen it with needle nose pliers. Take it down. You can also see the galvanometer wire and button wire connecting the gun head. These 3 aviation plugs. Loosen them. Take them down. Take all 3 off. After removal, you can see here's a QBH lock ring. Take this one with the gear. Loosen the ring first. Pull down the white ring at the top with the lock and unlock symbols. You can turn it left and right. Here's a triangular area. Align this unlocking point with this area. You can pull out the QBH. Be careful after unplugging. Use this in our accessories. Cover in time. Of course we use here. Equipped with dust caps. Cover it. It is okay. Then the gun head was completely removed. Start installation. Let me show you the below. New gun head installation. You can see here's a dust cap. Remove the dust cap. Remove the dust cap from optical fiber. After removing the dust cap, be sure to pay attention to the window mirror. See if it's dirty in here. Once you've confirmed it's clean, you see there are 2 contacts here. Locking ring, there are also 2 contacts inside the locking ring. Make sure you align these 4 contacts. Align and insert. Push it in as hard as you can. After inserting it in place, pull this ring with the lock and unlock sign on it. Pull it into the lock position. When pull it up to this position, tighten the lower ring with the gear. Shake QBH when you tighten it. If it doesn't shake, it's okay. Then install the aviation plug. You can see there's a small gap in the aviation plug. There is a small gap in the female connector. The male connector has a small bulge. Once aligned, you can insert. Then tighten. The 3 aviation plugs have the same operation. After inserting the aviation plugs, you can see a sign made on the air pipe. We'll take it off. Insert into the air pipe in the middle. Make sure you don't insert wrong. The wrong insertion can have a very serious effect on the head of the gun. Water pipe. After insertion, tighten the locking ring. Just make sure there is no leakage. The null head is assembled.